July 9th, 1996, 4 days before my 20th birthday. There's a message on the answer machine from my dad. Kiran, come home. Your mum has died. This can't be real. All I knew was that my mother had a foot sprain. She was 46 years old. I exited arrivals at Heathrow Airport, the last place I saw my mother alive, waving to her as I left for the United States. This time, I could see my older brother's face. This was real. On the car ride home, my brother told me that foot sprain was actually a blood clot, but they had x-rayed the wrong foot. My dad was angry at the hospital. My grandmother was angry at God. I'm not sure how I felt, but I knew I couldn't bring her back. My mother was a nurse. I looked up to her. She wore that Florence Nightingale-style white nurse outfit and one of those upside-down watches. To me, she looked important. I remember when I was 5 years old being knocked off my BMX bike and knocked out by a neo-Nazi. I woke up on the living room sofa and there was my mother's beautiful round face. I imagine it was the same expression her patient saw. As a kid, some days I would come downstairs ready to go to school and there would be dozens of garbage truck men hanging out in our living room. My mother would invite them in to drink tea from our best china cups. They'd be laughing with my mother, telling stories. One day she found a tiny bird and brought it home, nursing it back to health with kindness, love and care. Another day she stopped the car, ignoring the honking traffic, and picked up a dead bird that had been hit. She placed it under a tree so it could have a space of dignity. She was always taking care of whoever needed help, always without judgment. One morning years later, I sat in the backyard drinking a cup of tea and looking up at the tall pine trees in Raleigh, North Carolina. It was my first day in a new country. I didn't know a soul. A red hummingbird hovered right in front of me, looking me in the eyes. I thought about my mother. It was her birthday. Whether it was taking care of a tiny, helpless bird, or making space for the dirtiest, smelliest good men in our community, she paid attention to those in need and made a space that was safe in a world that wasn't.